Next time then. I'm sorry. I know it was wrong. I know I didn't help you, but I couldn't. It was too funny. She's got this fine. Chased her around the entire house.
Sorry, I got something in my eye. Just need a second. Oh, no, eye fix. Just in time. Look at that.
Oh no.
Oh really?
Yeah, it was. And then he got
I think this cord is fixed now. Hopefully, do not snap again. How many times this crossing get repaired because of broken cord? How many times the crossing get fixed as a snap cord? No, this is where it snapped. It holds together. Snapped. Not. Hopefully it's not going to snap again. First this one got snapped, and that one got snapped too. Oh, gone snapped too. Both repaired now. Here comes the train. Seriously, destinations need to change.